Why is there a rally mode? Well, because Performante gets the rally mode, which a normal Lamborghini Urus doesn't get. Today, I've got something very special for you. A sporty evolution of the first ever super sport utility vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lamborghini Urus Performante. Some of you might be asking, what is the difference between the normal Urus and the Performante? We're gonna cover all of this. The first thing you can see, the Performante is 60mm wider and 20mm lower than the normal Urus. And I'll tell you why is that soon. Another thing is, the entire car is covered in carbon fiber. Let me explain why. To make the Performante lighter, there is a lot of carbon fiber used. Starting, you can see the hood, you can see the roof, you can see the front and the rear bumpers, all covered in carbon fiber. Let me not even start with the interior. Boy, the whole interior is covered in carbon fiber. Even the wheel arches, you're gonna see carbon fiber everywhere around. But let me open the hood, because I wanna see you the amount of carbon fiber in this car. 1 second, guys. Are you ready? I think you're gonna get a little sneak peek. There we go. Look up. Don't look at the engine. Look up. Do you see the carbon fiber all over the hood? Usually it's super heavy to operate these hoods. This is light as a feather. Now, as you can see, all carbon fiber. Now, come to the side. Look at these. These are 23 inch. But not only that, if you look here, the biggest brake calipers that were ever used in a production car, these are 40mm. They're large, let me tell you, they're large. They're large. Now, the Performante doesn't get the air suspension as the normal Urus. Look at these two carbon fiber spoilers. I told you, carbon fiber all over the place. But yes, these are to create more downforce. Now, I told you the rear bumper is gonna be carbon fiber as well. But what is this? Is this a titanium Akrapovic exhaust? Yes, it is. Is it very loud? Oh yes, it is. I'm gonna show you very soon. Now let's check out the booth just briefly, because we're not here to see how much storage is at the back, but it's a lot. Obviously, it's a big car, so obviously you get a lot of space over here. If you don't want any sun coming to your back seats, simply put this up. And if you need more storage, there's a plenty of underfloor storage over there. Who's ready to see the back seats? Let's go. Here we are. Your backseat passengers are definitely going to be happy. I mean, they're sitting in a Lamborghini. They should be. First thing, we have armrests with cup holders over here. Amazingly soft seats with a little Urus logo over here with Lamborghini headrest. Very comfortable mixed material seats. And down here you can see a panel to operate your climate control. By the way, we've got 4-zone climate control over here. Overall, there's not much, nothing too crazy happens at the back. Should we hop and see the front? Let's go. Welcome to the front of the beautiful Performante. Now, first thing, if you forget what car you're driving Lamborghini Urus Performante, beautifully written on your leather cooling, heating, and massage seats. Beautiful. And I told you, you're gonna see a lot of carbon fiber inside as well. All here, carbon fiber. And Alcantara, you can see the beautiful Alcantara interior with bright green stitching matching the outside of the car. Then right here, you get welcomed by a 12.1-inch screen. Then we have 10.1 and 8.6 inch screen over here. Now, this is my favorite thing. I'm not gonna press this button just yet, but right next to it, you can see this. Strada, Sports, Corsa, and Rally. Why? Why is there a rally mode? Well, because Performante gets the rally mode, which a normal Lamborghini Urus doesn't get. We like Performante more. With this little guy over here, you can choose your differentials, your steering, or your suspension. Of course, we get cup holders and auto parking button right here. You might be asking, where's the charging port? Right here is hiding a wireless charging pad. Of course, we get a little glove box over here with a Lamborghini over there, and that's pretty much everything. As I told you, the bag has 4-zone climate control, as we have it at the front as well. Multifunctional steering wheel looks beautiful. The Italian flag over here as well. The Lamborghini logo just looks absolutely stunning. Now, my biggest dream at this moment right now is to turn it on. Should we do that? Lift. But wait, if I put it to Corsa, the entire car shakes. Hear that? Let's go for a drive. Driving the Lamborghini Urus Performante. We've got the red line to mark the middle of our steering wheel, and I must say, you feel like the biggest boss of the roads driving this car. Okay, let's go. For those asking, we've got 4-liter V8 twin turbo producing 660 horsepower. Yes, this is not a Suzuki Jimny with 130, I must tell you. Now, this produces 850 Newton meters of torque and goes from 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds, guys. And let me reverse. The way you reverse, I love it. The reversing, the cameras are absolutely epic. Who can tell me what is the top speed of this car? Guys, anyone? Let me know in comments. And if you didn't, then I tell you. It is 306 kilometers per hour. Now, let me know what you think about this insane Italian beast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye, guys.